Alright everyone, the 10th anniversary 03 Cobra is coming along nicely. I've got some new parts for it and the newest set of things I bought for the car I'd like to show you now. They're not out here in the garage, they're inside the house. So we're going to go in here and take a look at what I got. Ta-da! 2.65 liter VMP supercharger. This is brand new. I'm very excited to have this. I've always wanted one of these. I would have been real happy with a 2.3 liter, but I was able to get this brand new. Still has the tag on it, and it has an assortment of pulleys. I have the 3.3, the 3.0, the 2.8, and the 2.7. And I'm doing a lot of research now, and I've really wanted one of these for a long time. I really like that Roush puts these on their cars, and that VMP is a very good name in the industry, and the supercharger is actually made by Magnuson, and they do a really good job. Very efficient 2.65 rotor pack in there, and there's a lot to talk about with this, and I'll talk about that later, but I'm just really excited to show this as the next mod for the Cobra and just take a little bit of a look at it. I really am excited to even see one of these in person. I've never even seen one of these. I've seen the 2.3 liters, but I've never seen the 2.65 yet for the Terminator Cobra especially. I've seen the 2.65 on the new Roush cars and everything, but anyway, beautiful blower, brand new. It has a GT500, a throttle body for the GT500. This is the elbow that fits the GT500 throttle body, and it is the older style, so it has a clearance here for the fuel rail. I'm not sure if I'm going to be running this or if I'm going to try to get the new revised elbow for it, but it does bolt up nicely, and the guys at VMP did say it would work fine, so just considering my options on that. I do have some things I need to get for it. I'm looking into the slot style math and the better, cold air intake for it, and a couple things like that. But anyway, this is the next piece to the build for the 03 Cobra, and I am very excited to have this.